Marhay na hapon, Bicol! Ayan, good day, Atomians! My name is Lorraine Celeste Bayer, Sharon Rose Master from Baguio Cap Center. It's an honor and pleasure to be invited here today in your very first one-day seminar in Bicol. Congratulations everybody, napakarami nyo. Grabe kayo hanggang labas, no? Naririnig po ba sa labas? You are 435 and counting, no? So congratulations! You are in the right place at the right time. So this is my very first time to set foot here in Bicol, no? Kaya lang medyo nahiya ata ang mayon kahapon, hindi nagpakita, nagtago sa amin. Ayan, no? So finally, kako, gumana na ang aking nunal sa talampakan. Kung saan-saan na ako nakakarating. Atomy has brought me to places here and abroad. So, I just follow my faith in life. I just follow my faith in Atomy. Sabi nga sa ating company motto, kung inyong natatandaan, yung ating third line. Ano po? So here on the screen, you can see our company motto. Okay? Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, and serve in humility. I have a confession to make. May aaminin ako sa inyo, no? When I first attended my seminar, the very first seminar na inattendan ko po sa Baguio City, it was a center seminar. Nung ni-recite nila yung company motto, lalo nung Aja part, sabi ko sa sarili ko, anong kulto? Kaya itong napasukan ko, sabi ko, paano kaya ako mag-iimbita? Maggaganyan sila sa umpisa ng seminar. But when I came to learn what these 4 phrases mean, dun na naantig ang aking puso. Sabi ko, we are very lucky because Atomians are in good hands. These 4 phrases, they summarize what Atomy is all about. Kung paano ang kumpanyang Atomy. No, it cherishes the spirit. Ibig sabihin, hindi to scam. Because it values each and every one of you. No, this is a future-oriented company. Kung papasok ka sa isang negosyo, dapat future-oriented. Dapat hindi nahuhuli sa trend, hindi ba? And this is a company that no matter how fast it is, ang bilis po ng growth ng Atomy in the whole world. We ranked number 10 already as of last year, no? In the direct selling and MLM industry. That's a record to beat. Alam nyo ba yun? Kasi yung mga top 9, they had been in the industry for 50, 60 years already. Tabi-tabi po, pero senior citizen na sila. Ang Atomy po, we started in 2009, pero 13 years old pa lang last year nung nakuha natin yung award na yan, hindi ba? So, also, but with all these accomplishments, this company teaches us one thing. What is that? What's the last line? Serve in humility. We are always reminded to keep our feet on the ground kasi when you do the Atomy business and you keep on going, it's inevitable for you to succeed. Talaga pong kahit ayaw mo, magsasucceed ka dito for as long as you keep going. That's why I said, I will work with this company. I will do this Atomy business. But this afternoon, I will focus a bit more on the follow the faith, the third line, no? To follow something that you have never seen, to have faith in something that you have never seen is not easy, no? Mas madaling maniwala sa nakikita mo. Yung mga diniscuss ni Sir Grayson a while ago, yung mga Imperial Master Awards, no? Kung hindi mo pa nakikita, ay siguro magdududa ka. Sasabihin mo lahat ng MLM, milyon-milyon din ang mga sinasabi nila at pina-promise. Pero ganyan din siguro ang Atomy. But it's different here in Atomy. So you have to follow the faith and believe in the unseen. Unseen muna Kasi nag-uumpisa ka pa lang ngayon. Because that belief can turn your life around eventually. Okay, now here is a picture, no? Cycle of poverty. How can we stop this? No? Ito ay picture ng isang bata, no, na ipinanganak sa pamilyang hindi mayaman. Lalaking hindi mayaman na estudyante, mag-graduate, magiging manggagawang hindi rin mayaman. Di ba? Bubuo ng pamilya, mag-aasawa, mahirap pa rin ang buhay. Yung mga anak na may papanganak, ganun din. No? Mahirap na estudyante, mahirap na manggagawa, mahirap na asawa at magkakaanak muli. It's a cycle that goes on and on and on. Paano natin mahihinto ito? Now, if you keep doing the same things over and over every single day, then definitely same ang result. Same ang resulta, di ba? Magtanim ka ng kamatis, ang bunga ay kamatis, hindi ba? Never na maging mansanas yan. Now, you have to make a change and embrace change. Change is scary. Nakakatakot. Baka pumalpak ako. Inumpisahan mo na. Alisin nyo ang duda sa sarili and let that change, embrace that change. And Atomy is here who can make that change in our lives. Because it has changed a lot of lives already. Yesterday, kumain po ako sa Jollibee ng lunch, no? And then I heard there was a father and a son and the mother behind me. So I was eating, naririnig ko sila. Sabi nung tatay sa anak, "Anak, huwag kang mapili. Mahirap lang tayo." Pero nasa airport kami. So sabi ko, parang galing naman sila sa airport. Nagbiyahe naman, di ba? Nakapag-airplane naman. Paano mahirap? Pero pinapakinggan ko. Sabi niya, "Kaya huwag pili-pili. Mahirap lang tayo. Kahapon lang tayo mayaman." Sabi niya. Siguro nga kasi galing silang bakasyon. So sabi ko, ayos yun Parang sana ganun ang buhay, no? Pwede mo i-press button. Kahapon mahirap, ay mayaman ngayon, mahirap. But, di ba, seasonal ang pagiging marangya ang buhay. Sana araw-araw, Sana araw-araw, maipro-provide natin yung gusto natin sa ating pamilya. Sana araw-araw, maganda ang buhay. Hindi yung may araw na mahirap lang tayo ngayon, anak. Tiis-tiis muna. Yun ang linyang masakit sabihin ng isang magulang. Yung magtiis muna, anak. Tiyaga lang muna, anak. Diba? Okay. Now, ang question, okay, gagawin ko po ang Atomy. Pero baka hindi para sa akin. Baka mahirap yan. No? But Atomy, what do we do here? We only share something amazing and wonderful and get rewarded for that. No need to create your own system. Just follow what? The Atomy system. So wala kang gagawin kundi sumunod lamang. Gawa na itong sistema ng Atomy. Let's just plug ourselves into the Atomy system. Okay, now here in Atomy, we earn by consuming. First, no initial capital. Sino po ang naglabas ng pera dito para maging member? Wala, hindi ba? You can sign up for free and enjoy the Atomy products at discounted prices. Kaagad, libre kang pumasok. No sunk costs. Ano ang sunk costs? These are costs incurred in business that you can never recover. Ito yung mga nilalabas mong kapital o pera sa negosyong tradisyonal na pag nagsara ka, hindi mo mababawi. Sa Atomy, walang ganon. So there's nothing to lose in Atomy, but there's so much to gain. Mere consumption of daily needs is your capital in doing the business. Yun ang capital mo. Pag may nagtanong sa'yo, "Sis, ano bang capital dyan? Magkano ba capital dyan?" "Ay sis, magsipilyo ka lang, maligo ka lang, maglaba ka lang, maghugas ka lang ng pinggan." Yun yung kapital dito sa Atomy. No, because Atomy is designed for us consumers to earn while we are consuming. Napakaganda, hindi ba? So yung nagtanong sa akin noon, sabi niya, "Lorraine, paano ka ba kikita sa Atomy? What do you do in Atomy?" Sabi ko, "Well, I just wake up in the morning, I take my Atomy Himohim, Atomy Probiotics, Atomy Spirulina, Atomy Milk Thistle, and then I brush my teeth with Atomy toothpaste, Atomy toothbrush, di ba? Magbe-breakfast kaming pamilya, drinking our Atomy coffee. Magluluto ka using Atomy Medicook. Maghuhugas ka ng pinggan using Atomy detergent, Atomy scrubber sponge. Ano pa yung isa? Skill scrubber, di ba? So lahat ng galaw mo, maliligo ka, personal care products. Ayan, magta-transform ako sa version 2 ko. Ayan, magpapalitada ako ng mukha using Atomy skincare, Atomy products. Until I fall asleep at night, before I go to bed, Atomy products pa rin ang ginagamit. Evening care, etc. Laundry day, Atomy pa rin. So yun lang. Kasi when you use the products, you earn PVs. No? Kada add to cart mo, you earn PVs. Kaya kung dati ang senaryo sa bahay, ma, ubus na yung toothpaste. Naku, ubus na naman. Naku, grocery time na naman. Naku, expenses na naman. Eh ngayon, anak, paubos na ba yung toner? Anak, paubos na ba yung toothbrush? Excited ka nang bumili. Bakit? PV is life in Atomy. Diba? So, ang mga Atomians, ang babango. Diba? Ligo ka ng ligo kasi PV is life in Atomy. Ayan, no? Okay, now there are two business types at this day and age. The non-platform business and the platform business. Non-platform business, yung mga traditional business sa labas. Yung mga kinalakihan natin. Ayan. Pero ang platform business, ito yung mga bago na. No? Makabagong negosyo. I'll give you an example para makarelate tayong lahat. Ano ang platform business? YouTube. Lahat kilala ang YouTube. No? Paano sila kumikita? If you are a YouTube channel owner, you have to create your content. Ikaw mag-iisip ng magandang content para panoorin ka. Because you earn income when you draw in viewers. Kada click nila sa video mo at pinapanood nila yung video mo, kikita yung YouTube channel mo. But in Atomy, we are also a platform owner, no? We earn from bringing in auto consumers and business partners. Sino ang nag-isip ng ibebenta natin? Si Atomy. Sino ang gumawa? Atomy nang bahala doon. Ano lang ang ginawa mo? Nag-change brand ka lang at iminarites mo lang sa kakilala mo. Hindi ba? And then, as long as you keep adding, unlimited level yung diniscuss ni Sir Grayson kanina. You can add as many as you can under your team na kada add to cart nila, kahit natutulog ka dito, may nag-add to cart sa USA, may nag-add to cart sa London, may nag-add to cart sa Canada, tulog ka sa Pinas, you are earning points, you are accumulating PVs, you are earning commissions. No? Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, no? If you cannot find a way to earn while you are sleeping, then you will have to work for the rest of your life. Diba? Habang tulog ka, wala kang kita. No work, no pay ka diba? Pag may business ka, sarado yung negosyo mo, so hindi kumikita dahil tulog ka. Then, kailangan mong kumayod ng kumayod habang gising ka. But in Atomy, 24/7, you can earn commissions here. Because we are in a consuming business. So pag tinanong ka, sis, anong negosyo mo? Ang sagot mo dapat, I am doing a global platform business. Pakiulit, what's your business? A global platform business. Paulit, a global platform business. So you have to be a proud Atomian because you are a global platform business owner. No? So there is power in consumption. We consume every day, whether we like it or not. No? Hindi naman ibig sabihin, ang dami kong utang, wag muna tayong magsipilyo. Hindi, di ba? No? Nagsisipilyo tayo araw-araw, kahit anong sitwasyon, umuulan sa labas, hindi muna ako maliligo. Hindi, maliligo ka pa rin, hindi ba? Yun, masama loob ko, nag-away kami ng asawa ko, maliligo ka pa rin, you still consume daily necessity products, di ba? So kahit ano ang iyong sitwasyon. Now, ano lang gagawin natin? Change where you buy your daily necessities. Yun lang ginawa ng Atomians dito. No? Yung dati nilang brand, pinalitan nila sa Atomy brand. And then next, syempre, definitely, satisfied consumers tayo. May nagreklamo na ba sa produkto natin? None, no? Lahat tayo are satisfied consumers. Okay, so pag satisfied consumer ka, you will automatically purchase kahit hindi ka na nire-remind, no? No. Ayan. So, you will repurchase when you run out of products. Pag paubos na, matik na yan. Mag-add to cart ka na, bibili ka ng Atomy products mo. Therefore, commissions will automatically come in. Ang tawag po natin dito, ladies and gentlemen, sa ganitong klase ng income is what? Passive income or pension income or ano ang tawag natin sa Atomy? We call it system income. Binabasa ng system, generate ng system, then you get your income. System income. Dito sa Atomy, no, I will not work in Atomy forever. So aminan na ng edad. I am 44 years old. Sabi ko, until 50 man lang, no? Makagraduate na sa Atomy. So, early retirement ang goal ko. So, when I reach my goal sa Atomy, no, syempre, I will not work as hard as the way I am doing now. Diba? Relax na yon, no? But will my income stop? Will my income stop? Definitely not. Sabi ko nga sa member ko, ma'am, pag ako ba tumigil ngayon, bukas hihinto ka na rin. Pwede bang bumalik ka na sa dati mong brand ng sponge, dati mong brand ng kape, dati mong brand ng sabon kasi hihinto na ako. Sabi niya, baliw ka ba ma'am? Sabi niya, gumagamit ako ng product ng Atomy, hindi dahil sa'yo. Na-explain mo lang, kaya na-convince ako, pero I keep purchasing because I came to love the products. At mura para sa akin ang Atomy products, sabi niya. So kahit huminto ka, wala akong pakialam, mag-add to cart ako. So kahit huminto ako, continuous silang nag-add to cart sa ilalim, whether I like it or not. Ganun ang negosyo, hindi ba? At pinapalakpakan po yan. Ayan, no? Imagine that. Ayaw mo na mag-Atomy? The Imperial Masters, their Atomy codes or their Atomy accounts are generating 5 million monthly. Pero nasan sila? They're playing golf. They're just enjoying their lives. But PVs continue to accrue and accumulate under them. Kasi we are in a consuming business. No? We will not stop brushing our teeth, washing our hair, drinking our coffee. Ako man din, kahit ihinto ko na to later on when I reach my goal, babalik ba ako sa dati kong brand ng kape, brand ng sabon, brand ng shampoo? Hindi na. I will be a consumer of Atomy products for life. So yung mga nasa taas ko, for life din sila. For as long as I add to cart, my PVs din nag-a-accumulate. Ganong kaganda ang Atomy, no? Kaya matik yan. Now, how products are distributed? So saan ba tayo bumibili ng products? Grocery stores, online stores. Ayan, ang online stores, nakilala natin yan ngayong nung nag-pandemic. Sumikat si letter S tsaka si letter L. Diba? Sumikat sila, no? Now, TV home shopping. Ayan, sino nakasubok sa inyo mag-TV home shopping? No, noon, midnight ko nakikita yung TV home shopping. Now, and also, products are distributed through network marketing and direct selling. Now, pag ikaw ay consumer, pipili ka ngayon, saan ako bibili? Diba? Siyempre, pipili ka kung saan ka merong balik sa'yo, di ba? Hindi lang yung nag-suspend ka lang na nag-suspend. Okay, so tingnan natin to. Criteria in choosing where to buy. Okay. Number 1, must have higher quality products than other stores. No? Si Store A, nagbebenta. Si Store B, may bentang products din. Ano ang pipiliin mo? Siyempre, ang pipiliin mo, yung mas mataas ang kalidad, mas healthy products, mas magandang produkto. At yung mas affordable at mas mababa ang presyo. Kaya lang, ang realidad, paglabas sa mga malls, no, sa labas. Pag mataas ang kalidad ng produkto, definitely ano ang presyo? Mataas. Pero pag mura naman yung binili mo, ano ang kalidad? Mura din, ganun sa labas. But only here in Atomy where you can enjoy products that are of absolute quality na mataas but at absolute price, mababa. Sa kalidad niya, napakababa ng kanyang presyo. Hindi ba? Kaya pag tinatanong ko yung audience, yung mga bago, Sir, anong sponge nyo? Yung dilaw ba? Ayan, bawal magsabi na ibang brand. Ayan, dilaw? Oo, yung dilaw, sabi niya. Magkano bili nyo? 40 pesos, sabi niya. Tapos, gano'n nyo katagal ginagamit yung dilaw na yan na sponge? 1 buwan. Sira na. Ah, yung sa Atomy, magkano ba? Sabi niya. Well, 37.50, no? Pag member's price ang isang sponge, 3 buwan mo gagamitin. So, nag-compute siya. Aba, mas mura. So, when we start explaining yung prices natin at gaano katagal na magagamit, definitely, our products end up cheaper than those in the market na saksakan ng chemical ang laman compared sa atin na healthy, plant-based, organic products. Ano po? And then third consideration, dapat convenient. May convenience when you buy. You can buy anytime and anywhere. Nakahiga ka doon, di ba? Patulog ka na, bigla mong na-realize, ay, paubos na yung kape. Kunin mo yung cellphone mo, Atomy app, add to cart ng kape. Hindi mo kailangang magbihis at lumabas at mag-drive at pumunta sa shopping mall pero sarado na. Sa Atomy, in the comfort of your homes, you can add to cart your product. Nanonood ka ng K-drama, nakita mo kumakain ng ramen yung bida. Ay, gusto ko rin ng ramen. Wala na pala tayong Atomy ramen. O, add to cart ka na. No? So, convenience nowadays is very, very important. At ang negosyo, kahit anong sitwasyon, pag ang negosyo mo, na-test ang Atomy ngayong pandemic. Atomy is a pandemic-proof business. Bakit? It continued to open branches in different countries during pandemic. Ang ibang negosyo, hindi nila nagawa yun. Hindi ba? Nagsara pa nga ang ibang negosyo. But in Atomy, it continued to open new branches, no? Because online shopping na, no? Hindi na zero ang Atomy, bagkus umangat pa ang sales ng Atomy during pandemic dahil yung mga naka-lockdown, naka-quarantine, nag-add to cart na ng kanilang mga kailangang produkto. And lastly is additional perks. Pag consumer ako, syempre, ang isang konsiderasyon ngayon may balik ba, may point system ba? In Atomy, we have that. You can even earn commissions here in Atomy. Okay, now let's understand the Atomy business. Ito po ay kailangan nating maintindihan, no? Pag tayo ay nag-i-explain sa mga kakilala natin. Atomy, itinayo ang Atomy para sa ganito. It offers daily necessity products. Ang goal niya ay i-distribute ang produktong ito sa buong mundo through network marketing. You know, we are blessed that our founder, Chairman Park Han-gil, decided to make Atomy a network marketing business. No? Kasi kilala nyo, sinong nakakilala sa richest man in the world? May-ari ng Amazon. Amazon is an online shopping mall. Siya ang richest man in the world because he is in a business of distribution of products. Same with Atomy. Kaya lang ang Atomy, ang CEO natin, ang chairman natin, Chairman Park Han-gil, decided to share these earnings to us members. Kaya naman ginawa niyang network marketing. May referral system. Kaya napakaswerte natin na you are an Atomy member, you are an online shopping mall owner, no? So napakaganda, hindi ba? Now, our concept is just use the Atomy products and form a union of consumers under you. Yun ang turo ng ating chairman. Use the products. Pag hindi ka daw gumagamit ng Atomy products, please, huwag mong gawin ang Atomy business. Because that will make you a scammer. Biruin mo, hindi mo yung dilaw pa rin na sponge ang gamit mo, pero sabi mo, ang ganda-ganda ng sponge ng Atomy. Pero pagpunta namin sa bahay nyo, yung dilaw pa rin yung makikita ko. So sabi ni CEO, only do the business when you are a satisfied consumer. Para maikukwento ka na from your personal at makatotohanang experience, no? So through network marketing, we can duplicate ourselves through others. Another advantage, kung buti na lang at ginawang network marketing ang Atomy, is that you can have the chance to duplicate yourself. When I was an employee, sabi ko sa sarili ko, sana may chance na yung pwedeng i-clone yung sarili. Kasi ang dami-dami kong load ng trabaho. No? I'm an accountant by profession. Hindi ko natatapos. Inuuwi ko yung trabaho ko sa bahay. And sabi ko, lagi na lang may hindi natatapos. Sana may isa pang Lorraine. No? May Lorraine na gagawa ng gawaing bahay. May Lorraine na mag-overtime. May Lorraine na gagawa nito. It would be nice no, na naduduplicate mo yung sarili mo. Pero hindi ganun eh. Hindi ganun ang katotohanan, hindi ba? But in Atomy, you can duplicate yourself. No? Through others. So kahit huminto ka na later on, hindi ka na mag-Atomy business later on, pag na-build mo na yung left and right group mo, matatag na yon, may leaders ka na sa ilalim, you have duplicated yourself already, then pwede ka nang magpahinga. Pero hindi naman yung ibang klaseng pahinga po, ano? Ayan. Yan. Pahinga no, humihinga. Okay? Ayan. So we can duplicate others. At ang maganda dito, you keep adding people under you. Kasi when they are already qualified to earn commissions and bonuses, sino ang magbabayad sa kanila? Sino ang magbabayad ng bonus nila? Atomy. Pero when you are a traditional business owner, lumalaki yung negosyo mo. Happy-happy ka. Kailangan na nating lumipat sa mas malaking venue, restaurant halimbawa, no? Mag-hire ka ngayon ng additional wait staff, waiter, etc. Sinong magpapasweldo sa kanila? Ikaw na may-ari ng negosyo. Sino mag-shoulder ng mas malaking renta? Ikaw na may-ari ng negosyo. Hindi ba? But in Atomy, kahit may global partners ka, ang magpapasweldo sa kanila ay Atomy. So, now, this is very important. Because yung mga new members or those who are still learning about Atomy, napapagkamalan natin dahil we are a direct selling company and network marketing company, no, na benta-benta lang ang Atomy. We are different, okay? If we deliver, look at this, if we deliver products, no, ibig sabihin, ang binibuild mo lamang ay consumers. Deliver ka lang ng deliver, day in, day out, pagod na pagod ka na, no? Commute dito, commute doon, drive dito, drive doon, deliver and deliver. Delivery man ka ba? Ano ba pangarap mo sa buhay? Deliver and deliver ng products, no? That is active income. Kasi, kung sinanay mo yung consumer group mo na ikaw lang nagde-deliver, biglang kasama ka sa Korea tour ng Atomy, no? Paano na yan? Di na sila magtutoothpaste, di ba? Kasi nandun ka, di ba? Sabi nila, Lorraine, pa-deliver nga ng toothpaste. Now na, ay, nasa Korea po ako, di ba? Hindi ka makaka-deliver. No? Pag sinanay mong ganon. But we are not saying na bawal ito. We are not prohibiting you to do this. When you are starting to accumulate your 300 PV, when you are starting to your business, yes, you can do this. But in Atomy, we don't have to do this forever. Ang dapat nating gawin ay yung number 2. We deliver information. Deliver the information that Atomy is here. That there is an online shopping mall that you can consume products at the same time you can earn commission while consuming. No, that is passive income. So let's keep on delivering this information about Atomy. So, it's a doable business. Tandaan nyo po itong tatlong to. USA. Number 1, ano yung number 1? Use the product. Number 2, share about the product. Yung personal experience ang pinaka-effective. And number 3, attend seminars. Tatlo lang ang gagawin mo. Use, share, and attend. Attending seminars, this is when you hear plug into the Atomy system. Ang ibig sabihin po nun ay mag-attend ka ng seminar at hindi lang iisang seminar. Dapat lahat ng merong seminars ang Atomy, you have to attend, no? Now, this is where the successful ones are separated from the ones who really fail. Kasi yung iba, alam ko na yan, may acne, no? A, K, and Y. Alam ko na yan. Pare-parehas yan. Pare-parehas di sinasabi ng speaker. Di naman nagbabago yan eh. No, in seminars, it's where you get motivation. Kahit po ako ay Sharon Rose Master na, pag ako ay pagod na pagod sa Atomy business, may mga panahon na nalulungkot ka din, napapagod ka din, tao ka lang din. But when I attend a seminar, I sit there and listen to another speaker, nare-recharge ka ulit. That's how I did my Atomy business. When I was starting, lalo na pag nare-reject ka ng mga best friend mo, kapamilya mo, auntie mo, in-laws mo, ayaw nilang mag-join. Sila yung unang kukontra sa'yo, di ba? Sasabihin nila, ano na naman yung pinasok mo? Di ba? Di ka na natuto. Ganyan. Lalo na pag meron ka ng maraming ngumingiti. Maraming nakaka-relate, ano? Di ba? Siyempre, ikaw naman, oo nga, ito na naman ako. Di na ako natuto. Di ba? Made-demotivate ka. Di ka na magpapakita sa center. Di ka na magsasagot kay sponsor. But what I do before, ayoko na mag-Atomy. But next day, I go to the center, attend another meeting, mamomotivate akong muli. Pag low-bat ka, you charge yourself in seminars. That's where you get that motivation from the speakers. Atomy is a very generous company. Let's take a look at its 5 features. Gising pa ba kayo? Yeah, para tayo nasa eskwelahan, no? Sabi niya, nag-lecture. Ayan, no? Gising na gising? Ayan, ganyan ang mga taga-Bicol, ano? Ayan. Now, number 1, infinite accumulation. Dapat ipinagyayabang mo yan. Other companies, hindi sila makadugtong ng maraming tao. May limit. Nagdi-diminish yung income nila habang lumalalim yung grupo nila. In Atomy, walang ganon. So kahit ka sa sign up mo ngayon, bumili ka ng sponge, 900 PV yun, aakyat yun sa lahat hanggang sa Korea. Ayan, matitrace niya lahat ng nasa taas. No, infinite accumulation. So whether you're just a consumer, you accumulate everything under you. Ma'am, paano ulit yun? Sabi mo, consumer lang ako, pwede akong mag-earn ng income sa Atomy? Well, that is if you have built your left and right. Kasi, okay, meron tayong limit sa personal point value natin. Hindi ba? May limit na pwedeng bilhin sa PPV. Pag na-reach mo ba yung limit na yon, hihinto ka ng bibili? Hindi, di ba? You continue to purchase products. So, saan mo ilalagay ngayon? Yung purchases mo? Sa ilalim. So, pagkakakitaan mo na ngayon yung purchases mo. Kasi nilagay mo sa ilalim, dinonate mo pa sa mga members mo, natuwa pa sila sa'yo, pero ikaw, kumita ka naman sa ginawa mong yun. No? Now, your expenses in buying products can turn into commissions when you start sharing the business. Third, no losses will be incurred as there are no monthly maintenance, no auto ship, no quota, and other fees collected in Atomy. Meron isang network leader, sabi niya sa akin, kami may residual income din kami, sabi niya. Tinanong ko, what do you mean by residual income? Yung continuous, nagre-repurchase sila kasi maganda product namin. Pero hindi passive income? Oh, parang ganun na rin yun, sabi niya. Wait, let me check one thing. May quota kayo? Meron. May auto ship kayo? Meron. Anong mangyayari pag hindi mo minentain yung quota mo? Hindi ko kikitain yung buong-buong pinagtrabahoan ko. Then that is active income. Ang passive, yung wala kang ginagawa, may kinikita ka. Sa amin, walang maintenance, hindi ba? So, passive income. Ito ang passive income. Kasi imagine mo, so hanggang kailan ka magme-maintain? Hanggang gusto kong kumita. So hanggang kailan mo gustong kumita? Hanggang mawala na ako, di magtatrabaho ka hanggang mawala ka. Ganun lang kasimple yun. So we have to know our system really, no? Kung ano ang edge ng Atomy over these other companies, no? Now, the more consumers and business partners you have, the more commissions you receive. So, magmarites ka lang ng magmarites, more ang commissions. And last, Global One Marketing System. We are open in 27 regions. Please, kung may kakilala kayo abroad, sign them up. Call them before someone will sign them up. Okay. Question na naman. Para sa akin ba talaga yan? Ngayon lang ako nag-join. Ma'am, tignan nyo naman yung venue. Ang dami-dami na namin. Huli na ata ako sa Bicol. Naku, marami pa. In the Philippines, 0.01% pa lang tayo. 120,000 pa lang ang members sa Atomy Philippines. Ilan ang population natin? 120 million. So marami pa dyan. It's still a very big ocean na marami pang isdang pwedeng bingwit, ano? So even if you start late in Atomy, you can still succeed. Due to compensation ceiling, you don't have to work forever. Ito yung sabi ko kanina. Dahil may graduation tayo sa Atomy eh. So you really don't have to work forever. The marketing plan is structured in a just and fair manner. Balibaliktarin mo yung marketing plan natin. Too good to be true, but it's really just and fair, no? Fourth, platform business that can generate passive income. Number 5, future-oriented business. Hindi tayo nahuhuli, no? Core of the fourth industrial revolution. Let me talk about this further. Ano ang fourth industrial revolution? Ano ito? No? Sabi dito, it's the current and developing environment in which disruptive technologies and trends such as the Internet of Things, robotics, virtual reality, AI. Sinong pumatol sa AI ngayon? Sa Facebook. Ayan. Di ba? AI are changing the way modern people live and work. May mga McDonald's na ngayon na when you go to their fast food chains, no? When you go to their restaurants, no? Pagpasok mo, dati nakahilera, ilang mga cashier yan, dami-dami nila, no? Ngayon, pagpasok mo, mag-isa na lang yung cashier at may isang nakatambay dun sa mga nilalabas na pagkain. Bakit? Kasi pagpasok mo, may malaki kang parang cellphone na makikita, tablet, ipapunch mo na yung orders mo, mako-compute na dun, and then, diretso na sa cashier, pipila ka na lang sa cashier para magbayad. Hindi na nila kukunin yung orders mo. So, wala na silang masyadong pinapasweldong tao. So, yung naisip ko yung mga anak natin, paano na yung mga working students, no? So, wala na sila masyadong pag-asa. Mag-uunahan na sila ngayon sa paghahanap ng trabaho. No? So, ang hirap ng ganon. In Baguio, we have the famous na Good Taste Restaurant. Ganun din. May umiikot na parang robot. Nandun nakahilera yung mga pagkain na isa-serve. Lalapitan niya yung table. Kukunin mo yung order mo. Ayan, di ba? So, yun. Now, last. Atomy. Atomy is a way of life. So, marami sa atin sasabihin, busy ako. Hindi ko mahaharap yan. Busy ka bang mag-toothbrush? Busy ka bang masyado para maligo? Ganun lang kasi yung system ng Atomy, di ba? We have a lot of Atomy is for everybody. Nakita natin na may mga Imperial Masters who got promoted and meron doon isang elementary graduate. Meron din doon na 82 years old. May 82 years old po ba dito? Sa Baguio, marami akong senior na members. Sweet 16 ang tawag namin sa kanila. No? Ayan, 60 and above. Mga silver hair, nakikita ko si ma'am doon, silver hair, no? We have a lot of them. May 82 years old na crown master in Atomy. So may pag-asa pa, hindi ba? Walang qualifications in Atomy. Even those who are traditional business owners, we have medical doctors here, no? Diyan si Doc Pinky. Ayan, medical doctors. I too have medical doctors under my team, mga professionals. Pwede ang lahat dito. Isa lang naman yung kriteryang hahanapin mo sa bawat iniintrodusan mo ng product. Sila ba ay nagsisipilyo? Yun lang. Huwag kang masyadong mag-isip, ay, networking to, dapat magaling sa sales, dapat madaldal, dapat kasing daldal ni Miss Lorraine sa harap, yung ganon. Huwag. Basta, maglista ka, lahat ng kakilala mong toothbrush. Yun lang yun, okay? So now, in this photo, in Atomy, we do not just earn income, we also have this luxury of going around and paid by Atomy, traveling abroad. Ano? Alam niyo bang in 10 months, I've been to 4 countries care of Atomy. Oh, sabi nung isang Korean sa Baguio, sabi niya, you had been to my country 3 times in 10 months, and I have not been there in 3 years, sabi niya. So, di ba, mas palagi pa daw akong nakakarating sa bansa niya kaysa sa kanya. No? We meet people, we meet wonderful leaders all over the world. So sa picture, nakikita niyo yung mga sponsors niyo, nandyan, nakakasama, na-meet ko sila, and they're wonderful people. So, it's so nice to do a business na ganito. Business with pleasure. No, kung kami nauna sa inyo, na-experience na namin, abay, ma-experience nyo rin yan. Sunod-sunod tayo dito. Kaya nga sabi nila, never give up. Sa ganitong industriya, maraming nag-give up. Because they don't take network marketing seriously. Karamihan, aminin nyo yan. Ang networking, minsan panakip butas. Kasi nag-aantay ka ng application mo sa trabaho. Or dahil nag-iipon ka pa ng pera para pang put up ng traditional business, kaya nagne-networking ka. But you are in Atomy. You are doing a global platform business. So you have to be a proud Atomian. This is a global business. Kaya pag tinanong ka, sis, anong ginagawa mo ngayon? I am a global platform business owner. Loud and proud, diba? Yan. Gusto mo ng toothpaste. Biglang ganon, no? So there. Okay. Now, paano tayo makakarating doon? We have to go meet 100. Go and multiply. No? Sabi ng ating CEO, this campaign, he's encouraging us to go meet 100 daily. Every day. Imagine that. No, ma'am, mahirap naman everyday 100. Well, sa iba, it's an expression na you just go meet as many as you can. Depende sa oras mo yan. Basta for as long as you can, keep on sharing and keep on meeting people. Kasi kung hindi, baka dito nagkita-kita na yung mga magkakilala, magkaka-opisina dati, ayan, magkaka-Facebook friend, pero hindi nila na-recruit ang isa't isa. Ano? Meron dito yan? Di ba? Yun. So, go meet 100 fast bago ma-sign up ng iba yung kakilala mo. So, I'm down to my last few slides, no? Who knows this story? Patapos na po, ah. The story of the Chinese bamboo tree. Sino pong nakakaalam? Now, let me tell you this. Maiksi lang to. No? So, like any plant, growth of the Chinese bamboo tree requires nurturing. So you have to water the tree. You water the soil must be fertile and it needs sunshine. In the first year, we see no visible sign of activity. Diniligan mo naman. Nasa sunlight naman. Fertile naman yung soil. 1 year na nakalipas, wala kang nakikitang tumutubo. In the second year, again, no growth above the soil. Wala pa rin tumutubo. Pero patuloy kang nagdidilig, patuloy na napapaarawan, patuloy na inaalagaan. The third year and the fourth year came, still nothing. Pag-give up ka na. Ano ba yan? Tagal ko nang dinidiligan. Sayang yung effort, sayang yung tubig, no? Diba? But you continue. Our patience is tested and we begin to wonder if our efforts in caring or watering that plant will ever be rewarded. But may sabi nga nila, do not give up, no? And finally, in the 5th year, behold, a miracle. We experience growth, and what growth it is, the Chinese bamboo tree grows into 80 feet. In just 6 weeks. Ang 80 feet po, parang 7 to 8 floors na palapag yan. This is a real plant, no? Real tree ito. Hindi ito gawa-gawang istorya lang. May ganyan po. 4 years, wala kang nakikita. On the 5th year, biglang usbong. Any business that will give you a huge amount of income, Kailangan paghirapan. Kailangan trabahuin. Kailangan you have to be patient and believe in your vision. No? Kasi, sabi nga ni CEO, no one fails in Atomy. They only quit. Yung mga nag-fail, hindi failure yon dahil nag-quit sila, huminto sila. Tulad niyan, hindi nila naantay yung pag-usbong nung tinatanim nila. So lagi nating naririnig sa leaders, never give up. These 3 words are very important. You should not give up. Kasi ang Atomy, hindi po fly-by-night company. This is not a company that would promise you millions, pero mamaya, wala na. This is a company that you really have to build and strengthen. Then you will reap the benefits later. So follow the faith. Balikan natin yung 3rd line. Keep planting the Atomy seeds for a short time. Di naman sinabing 30 years na mag-Atomy ka. Imperial Masters nga, 10 years lang, nagpa-5 million na sila. Hindi ba? Keep planting the Atomy seeds for a short time and you will have a bountiful harvest for a lifetime up to 3 generations. So let's recognize that Atomy is a blessing. Recognize the fact that you are here for a reason. You are blessed that you are here for a reason, hindi dahil by accident lang o dahil nakulitan ka lang sa nag-imbita sa'yo para matigil na. But you are here for a reason. So be a blessing to others by sharing this blessing called Atomy. So that's all for my sharing. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Once again, I am Lorraine Celeste Bayer, Sharon Rose Master.
Isa pang